Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Strava, Samsung Galaxy Watch sync and logout issue. Are you having trouble with your Samsung Galaxy Watch not syncing with Strava and not logging out? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. The number one solution for this issue is to log out of the Strava app. Most of the time a simple logging out and logging in will fix this issue. To do that, open the Strava app, go to the Use section and click on Settings. Scroll down till you find Logout. Click on it. 2. Force stop the app on your Galaxy Watch. Go to the Manage Apps on your phone and force stop the app on your Galaxy Watch. 3. Unlink your watch from Strava site. Visit the Strava site and log in. You'll be able to see all the linked devices in that site. Unlink your watch from that. 4. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava customer support.